In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to buy tickets in Ticketmaster. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of Ticketmaster or launch your Ticketmaster app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you can browse the featured events on the homepage or use the search bar to find a specific artist, team, venue, or city. Once you have found the event you are interested in, double-click the location and event date, especially if the tour or event has multiple stops. If tickets haven't gone on sale yet, take note of the on-sale time and return when sales open. After selecting your event, review any important details such as age restrictions, venue policies, and ticket delivery methods. For highly popular events, you may be placed in a virtual waiting room or queue. If that happens, simply stay on the page and wait for your turn. Next, choose the number of tickets you would like to purchase and use the available filters to narrow your options by price, section, or availability. You'll often see both standard tickets and resale tickets. Standard tickets are sold directly through the event organizer, while resale tickets are being sold by other fans. If you require accessible seating, make sure to select the accessibility options available on the seating map. Once you have found the suitable tickets, click Find Tickets to continue. Ticketmaster may temporarily reserve your selected seats, so pay attention to any countdown timer displayed on the screen to avoid losing them. On the interactive seating map, you can zoom in to view exact seat locations and compare different sections. Be sure to check for any notice about limited or obstructed views. Now it's time to complete your purchase. Select your preferred payment method, whether that's a credit card, debit card, or supported digital wallet, and enter your payment information carefully. Make sure your billing information matches your bank records to help avoid payment issues. Once everything looks correct, click the Place Order button and wait for the confirmation screen to appear. You will also receive a confirmation email which serves as proof of your purchase. From your Ticketmaster account, you can view your tickets and add them to your mobile wallet. And that's it. This way you are able to buy tickets on Ticketmaster. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.